Good evening, everyone. Today we're gonna talk about pedigrees, how to read them. I see a lot of people struggling, don't understand how a pedigree works, the day of born and all that stuff. Uh, this dog right here, according to some dude, is a puppy. In this picture, say it was taken on December 23, 2021 at 12:34. That's when I downloaded to my computer. So that will be, we are in 24. That will be close to 3 years old. 3 years of that picture taken, if I'm not mistaken. So let's see. Uh, According to Yamar Thompson, he say has lost his marble or broke a 1 year old stud with a grown bitch. This is statutory dog rape, in my opinion. Stop supporting. Supposedly, he's saying in here that I'm breeding a puppy, a male puppy. A stud is a male dog. And look, all the fools who follow him. Look, Jessica Certain, I didn't know if this was a oops or what happened, but if it was intentional, there's really no benefit in breeding dogs that John other than to just have puppies. AIMO, older stud have no longer telomer, and blah 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 blah. Let's see who is Jessica. These people should not breed dogs whatsoever. Whatsoever. Look at that down. How they don't know what they cannot read pedigrees. These people cannot. How these people are breeders if they cannot read a pedigree? And I show you why. This is the puppies born, 3 puppies born, that I might keep them all. On September 1st of 2024. I don't know, first of all, how that thing get into his hand, because when you post something on pedigree database, it's not available for few. Look, this guy is a seems risky, experienced breeder or not. This guy doesn't know what he's talking about. Neither of Jessica Certain. Neither of Jamar. And look, this guy has been telling a female we like. He's talking about a star, not females. He like he's supposedly a 3. Nobody knows what they're talking about in here. How these people are breeding dogs. They cannot even read. And this is in English, not in Spanish. And look, this She's a mud breeder. I mean, of course, she never have raised her dog. Now let's go. Let's go and see is my stud according to this fool. He say my dog is 1 year old. All right. Let's see if that's true. Here say my dog born on November 28, 2019. That make him 4 years old. No, a year old. This even a DNA test that dog, and who follow me know that this dog is not a year old dog. I've been posting this dog for a while. We're saying here that this dog it is a 1 year old. This dude used to call me all the time where he can find a good dog. I told him he like a type of bully. I say I don't like those in our conversation, but if you like a presa looking like a bully, there's some breeder, and I guide him to them, and he buy this dog. That's why this word it is the way it is. This dog is cross. That's what the first dog he died. It was sick. He got problem with the liver. He told me. Just bear with me. All right. Look, dear Ron. Dear Ron is not a canary dog. This pedigree have a lot of BS. And dog, they are not even from Canary Island themselves. And we go to this dog. We go to Arbaco. He's double Arbaco. A blue dog. Blue presa. And in here I've been talking about this dog. I have a video about it. And this dog, it was made in United States using, okay, which are any parents you pick will indicate that Arbaco was born of dear own own dogs and with 3 sets of parents completely made up. The first story is completely false. The second story is partly true. Arbaco was the result of a crossbreeding between a Napolitan Mastiff, which was also being produced by Deer Run Kennels at that time, and American Staffordshire Terrier, or in today common terms, a band dog. All right. Many people who got these dogs, to this day, they still throwing blue dogs. And what the breeders tell them, oh, that blue puppy is though I was making experiment with making band dog. He is the product of a band dog. The whole litter, it is a product of a band dog. But they take the blue and they tell you it's from another litter, but it's not. It is from, to this day, those dogs who got Arbaco is still throwing blue. And I told him where he can get a dog, and he decided not to. But that's why, and imagine, because if you buying a dog, you should read the pedigrees. You should be understanding. And imagine he can, because he say, though my dog is a puppy, he cannot even read the born day. This is a born day. This is the coefficient of inbreeding. And is the coefficient of inbreeding doing with saliva by embark. It's the same dog. And it's being tested. Because that's another thing he claimed that I didn't test the dog. Lou Legend, that's Lou Legend right there. Oh, Florida Legend. I think he called himself now Florida Legend. That's him. And another thing, let's go back. Just for people, okay, these people can tell the dog it was 4 years old. Oh, one more thing. Even the breathing is recorded. When the breathing is recorded right here. And there are the 3 puppies that I'm probably keeping all. I don't know what he's talking about, that I'm selling dogs or he flipping. They are not even. He got this. Look at what they say. Look how he got this page. If you notice, the administration has not yet published this page. How do Yamar get this when I didn't publish this yet? And the person who gave this, I guess, he loved me very much. It should be mine his own business. For what I concern. This is what like I always say, people ending with bad dogs and they blame you for it. Even if you try to help him, they go to another direction. They don't understand how things are done. And it's very simple. I don't know how hard it is to go to the mail, because he claimed the stud, it is a 1-year-old or less than 1. I don't know exactly. I'll go back and look at it. Born in November 28, 2019. And we are in September 4 of 2024 today. Actually, here is the Thursday, September 5th, 2024. That's what we are today. According, and look, there are lots of things they are done in the dog breeding world. That doesn't make them good or right. Breeding a dog before it's full grown And like once again, nobody can read pedigrees nowadays. Look at this person. That's a woman. Rape. It's a human sin. It doesn't really happen in dogs. That being said, no dog should be bred before 2 or 3 years. And doing otherwise, they don't test their dog, but they know how to talk. They cannot even read the pedigree. And he's saying here, this is a breeding. Where in here say that this dog or this dog is under a year old? It doesn't say nowhere. It say the pup is born in the September 1st, 2024. I mean, that's very clear right there. And in case, I'm going to go to my profile. Okay. This is the embark, the day of birth, like I say, 11/28/2019. Look, that's an embark test. And look, a stock is the name given to the male dogs in the breeding process who will father the litter of puppy. It is vital that studs are fully sexually mature before beginning the breeding process. Around 8-10 months for a smaller breed and 2 years for larger breed. I go when I test, and if I got an exceptional dog, and the dog is rich, he have less than 2 years, but he's fully tested and he got what I desire, I might breed him before, of course, because if I lose that dog, I never will have anything, any offspring of him. That's what I breed for, to guarantee the all my best dog. I will have dogs to replace them in case something happen. And look, he's saying here, I lost my marbles or I'm broke. A year old stock. Once again, I got, and look all the people who are agree with that. That's the actual breeding. And this is the pedigree. This is the registration of the dog. He born November 28, 2019. His parents are Leoncillo and Osa, bred by me as well. And his name is Cortez de los Morales. Same dog that he's talking about. Right here. And look, the administration has not yet published this page, and he have already the breeding. That's what the guy have, what he have. That's what his dog is. It's not good. These people cannot read pedigrees, and they are in English. Right here say sex. That means it's a male. The puppy you can know. You can, let's go to the actual pedigree. The dog name, the breed, sex. That's what the in the pedigree. In the pedigree will show in the database. Anyway, let's wrap it. Let me see one more thing. Just bear with me. He say I lost my mind, a 1 year old stud, and I prove it in there. I have his registration, his registration showing when he born, and he have the color and everything of that dog. I also have his DNA as well. And the ones you want to see, actually, this is very interesting. I bring him before with Pantera, and it's very interesting. I have it in my page, Pantera 2. His the puppy name is Grandioso. That nothing to do with this breeding. I did one in before than that, and I DNA the mother, the father, and that puppy, in that particular puppy, offspring of both of them. And it's very interesting. The people say the puppy take 50 from the mother and 50 from the father. If you guys are believing that, I suggest you to go to my main page, no Presa Canario de los probably is in there as well. But the other page that I have, that is linked to Presa Canario de los Morales, that it has Cuervo in the logo. Uh, and check it out, Grandioso. Grandioso, the COR is very, very interesting to look at it. Let's wrap it up for today, and thank you so much, and have a blessed day. Bye.